You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this name. How do you say it correctly? In English, the pronunciation is generally said as Xan, Xan. Now, if you're looking at how the vodka is said, well, in Russian, this is said as Xan, Xan vodka. So you may hear quite a few people say it also as Xan vodka, Xan vodka or Xan vodka. And that's because in Russian, it is said as Xan. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.